With the Sony waterproof Walkman, swimmers can now experience the benefit of music while they swim. It's a groundbreaking product. Yet after a traditional launch campaign, sales in New Zealand were anything but. So we needed to raise the profile of this undiscovered product in order to drive sales to a disparate audience of swimmers. To do this, we flipped the category on its head and created something they'd never seen before: the Bottled Walkman. This then allowed us to hijack something swimmers would find in every fitness center the world over, transforming the humble vending machine into a pop-up high street retailer that got the swimmers talking and allowed them to buy the product as easily as buying a bottle of water. Word of the Bottled Walkman then spread across the globe. So what began as a highly targeted campaign ended up reaching a potential audience of more than 500 million people.